Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix smart lock is not working in Realme 15 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now click on app management and then scroll down and click on Google Play Services and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear cache memory of Google Play Services. After clear cache memory, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it isn't updated to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Now click on reset. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.